Hi guys, thank you for stopping by and watching this video. This video is not about gardening or cooking. I want to show you guys my new activity back at my village, which is fishing, another method of self-sustainable life. My last fishing activity was 14 years ago with my good friend Tiago, right after our STPM examination. I don't buy fishing rod from the shop, but I make my own fishing rod. I use palm oil tree rakis or stem to make fishing rod. First, cut off all the leaf from the rakis, then tie the string on the tip of the rakis and make sure the knot is strong so it won't slide off from the rakis. After that, I tie hook on the other end of the string. During my childhood time, I used to catch fish at this beach after each raining season. At that time, I make one fishing rod in less than 5 minutes. Now it took almost 15 minutes to make one. So finally, I'm tying cork from dry tapioca stick as a bobber as an indicator when fish is biting the bait and also to prevent bait from touching bottom of the ditch. Also, I'm expert in inserting worm on the hook, but now you guys can see my hand is shivering. Finally, I'm ready to catch fish. Let's go and set up the fishing rod on the stable place. I don't wait for a long time to get my first strike. Even though the fish is small, but I'm happy with my first catch after 14 years. This is snakehead mural fish. Oh man, it's scary. But only for the first time, then I get used to it. Soon after I remove the first fish from the hook, I insert worm into hook for the second catch. Then I place the fishing rod in a stable place. Guys, see, the bobber is moving. This is the indicator that fish is biting the bait. I guess this is big fish compared to the first one. Let's see. Oh man, fish is dragging the string and make it wrap on the stick inside the water. Hmm, it seems like I have to do something. Oh my god, this is the big one. I'm quite happy with my second catch. I guess these two fish is enough for my mother and myself. My mother already cleaned the fish and sliced it. She added turmeric powder and salt. She coated well on all the fish slices, then fry it until half crisp. So guys, please take care of our rivers and other water resources. During this crisis situation, people who have less or no income can catch fish to feed their families rather than depending on others. So the fish is ready. Mm, a very delicious fried fish is ready for our lunch. Thank you guys for watching and to sound sustainable.